Hey, I'm Vlad with Verge here at EVO 2018, and with me I have the 2017 ZenBook. And the reason I have it is to show you the difference to the 2018 ZenBook. Now these are both 13-inch laptops, but as you can tell, there's a massive difference in size. And that's because ASUS has shrunk down the bezels all around the display. It's taken them down to much less than a centimeter on all four sides. Like, I don't need a backpack for this thing. I can just carry it around with me and be stylish and stuff. It's like a book size. It's impressive, is what I'm saying. It's good. Technology moving forward. The new ASUS ZenBook also keeps the webcam at the top of the display where it belongs, and it also has IR cameras, so you can do Windows Hello authentication. The displays are nicer, they're brighter than the old generation, and the laptops are just so much smaller. You basically lose nothing and gain a ton of goodness. Okay, I lied. You do lose something. You do lose a USB-A port. You still get USB-A and USB-C, and you can charge with USB-C. And you no longer have an SD card reader. It can only read micro SD. Aside from the super obvious upgrade in the display, the keyboard has also been improved. It now has a backlight, and it's not the old plastic type. So that's a significant upgrade. And ASUS is also adding its Ergo Lift hinge design, which basically tilts the bottom part of the laptop just a little bit up, so it makes it easier to type on, and sinks the display down a little bit. This really contributes to the whole sense of this being a bezel-less display. Again, it has a few millimeters of bezels, but you really don't notice them when you're actually using the thing. And it's a really advanced look and feel. It feels like it's super high-end and premium, whereas the ZenBook line, the non-pro version, isn't really ASUS's top-of-the-line stuff, which is pretty cool. You know, it's a high-end feel in a device that is cheaper. So ASUS is launching a new ZenBook 13, 14, and 15, and the 14-inch is actually smaller than its previous 13-inch. So that's how big of a leap it has been between 2017 and 2018. All of them have Intel 8th Gen Core processors inside of them, and you can get them starting at $899 up to $1199. That's with a 16:9 1080p display, again across the line. You can get a touchscreen option, and the thing that I would really want to upgrade more than anything else is the RAM, which starts at 4 gigabytes. Really not sufficient for most people. Otherwise, the standard spec is pretty nice. You get a much better display, a better keyboard, a backlit keyboard, and of course just a much smaller, more convenient form factor. Unlike making the laptops any thinner, which delivers small, if any, benefits, reducing the bezels reduces the footprint of the entire machine, makes it that much more convenient, portable, and easy to move around without needing to carry a big old technical backpack. And I'm really liking this trend, which mirrors the one we already have with smartphones. So these are ASUS's new laptop upgrades here at EVO 2018. For more from the show, and for other beautiful, lovely, amazing advanced technology, keep a look to The Verge.